Want to tone up and burn some calories while dancing Kizomba? Then let's work out. Let's go with the head. 5, 6 to the side. We circle the head and circle. Other way and circle. Five, 6, shoulders back and back. Changing your weight as you do the shoulders forward. We're going to the chest, to the side, side, forward, side, and back. Circle the chest, circle. Don't forget to change that weight. Other side with the chest, we go. Side, forward, side, and back. Circling the chest. Hips we go. Side, back, side, neutral, and side, back, side, neutral. Get a bit of a bend in your knee as you do it. Circles we go. Circle. Definitely have to change your weight on this one. Step, 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 step. Other side with the hips. Side, back, side, neutral, and side, back, side. Taking it into a full round. We go with taking the shoulders back and sitting into a squat and then standing back up. I'll show you from here. Here. Back into the squat. Stepping in, and we do it smaller. Five, 6, we go again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into side to side. Slow side to side and slow. Circling those hips. We step out, we circle, step out, we circle. Balance A, forward with the right foot. Extra booty pop if you can. Step, pop, step, pop. Five, 6, other side and step. Watch this, we step back, side, balance and back, side, balance, back, side, balance and back, side, basic 1. Really feeling it, pushing to the ground. We're taking it back into a walk. We go right, left, left, forward, right, left, and back. Watching here, we go slow, double with the hip, slow, double with the hip. Going forward, slow, double with the hip. Other side, 5, 6, other side. Go slow, double with the hip, slow, double with the hip. Basic one here. Have a bit of a groove. Well done.